Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down Cash App versus Venmo, two of the most popular money transfer apps in the US, if you've ever wondered which one is better for you. Stick around because we're going to compare everything from fees to features. Starting with Cash App, let's start with Cash App. Cash App is known for being fast, simple, and super beginner-friendly. You can instantly send and receive money using just a phone number, email, or dollar cash tag. What sets Cash App apart is how much more it can do beyond sending money. You can also buy Bitcoin, invest in stocks, set up direct deposit, and even get a cash card, which is a customizable debit card linked to your Cash App. Balance.Cash App also gives you boosts, which are instant discounts when you use your cash card at certain stores and restaurants. And if you want to cash out to your bank, you can do it instantly for a small fee or for free with a standard transfer. Security-wise, Cash App uses encryption and fraud detection tech to keep your account safe. It's great for anyone who wants an all-in-one finance app that combines money transfers with investing and crypto features. Now, let's talk about Venmo. Venmo is owned by PayPal and focuses more on the social side of money transfers. When you send or receive money, you can add notes or emojis that your friends can see on the app's social feed. It's fun and casual, making it a favorite for splitting bills, paying roommates, or sharing expenses. Venmo also offers a debit card, and you can use it to pay directly from your Venmo balance. Plus, you can use Venmo at online checkouts wherever you see the PayPal or Venmo logo. It supports buying and selling cryptocurrency just like Cash App when it comes to transferring money to your bank. Venmo works the same way, instant transfers for a small fee, or free standard transfers that take 1 to 3 days. So which is better? If you want a clean, finance-focused app with investing and crypto features, Cash App is the better pick. But if you like a social community vibe and mainly want to send and receive money with friends, Venmo might fit your style better. Both apps are safe, fast, and super convenient. It just depends on what you need more: the simplicity and investing tools of Cash App, or the social fun and PayPal connection of Venmo. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more fintech comparisons, and comment below which one you personally use, Cash App or Venmo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.